versus Doña Chichay. Best to begin. Dreams of the World in second. Sabi ko na in third. And followed by Magnolia Ariana Artseb. Is Ripe Pink and Matikas is the early trailer. With Doña Chichay, the leader by a length. Dreams of the World is running by the second. And in third, sabi ko na Magnolia Ariana in fourth. Artseb in fifth. Ripe Pink and Matikas. And still Doña Chichay, the leader by a length. Dreams of the World is still in second. And in third, sabi ko na moving up Magnolia Ariana. Ari outside Artseb, Matikas and Ripe Pink. And still Doña Chichay, Dreams of the World. Sabi ko na squeezing in the middle portion. Artseb, Magnolia Ariana. Now for runners fighting out for the lead. Moving up Dreams of the World. Sabi ko na Artseb, Ari outside Doña Chichay. Magnolia Ariana in fifth position. Sabi ko na Dreams of the World. Artseb, Ari outside third. Magnolia Ariana still coming closer in fourth position. Dreams of the World. Sabi ko na Artseb, Magnolia Ariana now coming closer in fourth. Artseb takes the lead. Dreams of the World. Sabi ko na Magnolia Ariana Ari outside. Artseb, Dreams of the World. Magnolia Ariana now Ari outside. Artseb, Magnolia Ariana. Dreams of the World is now Magnolia Ariana. Artseb, Dreams of the World close. Is Ripe Pink. Sabi ko na.